Hello friends of How to Grow. Today we will learn how we can grow a red oak from seeds. Let's do this. Let's start with some background details about the red oak. The tree is originally from North America. Distinctive is its canopy, which is ornate by a beautiful red color in autumn. The red oak gives home to birds and squirrels, and the branching pattern of the red oak is so beautiful and distinctive, as it is its furrowed bark. What is also important to underline is that the canopy of the tree can reach about 40-60 feet wide, which is equivalent in meters to 12-18 meters. Therefore, if you are planning to plant it in your garden and is next to your house, be mindful about the distance at which you plant it. So, how does the red oak seed look like? The red oak seed is called acorn, and it looks something like this. It is different from the family of the white oak, which looks something like this. You can see the comparison. The red oak one is much smaller. Let's start by removing the heart of the acorn and placing the acorn in a paper. I strongly suggest to get more than one acorns. I will suggest to take 10 if you can, and do the same treatment for all 10, as the sprouting percentage may vary and may be small depending from the acorns you get. Fold the paper in this way and put the paper in a bag. Spray some water and store this bag closed in this way into the fridge for 2-3 weeks max. Once the 2-3 weeks have passed, take out from the fridge the bag and leave it out in a shaded area. Once 10-15 days have passed, open the bag and check if the acorns have sprouted. Sow the acorn into the pot. Use just a typical compost for garden. Water the acorn, I will say every 2 days in summer and probably every 3-4 in winter. I really hope that you will be able to grow your red oak tree, and in 1 year it will look something like this. Now is in the autumn phase, therefore the leaves are taking this brown color and they will fall off in a few weeks. If you want to stay updated with the How to Grow series, click on the nice orange icon here in the corner. See you soon.